And thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And today I've got a sneak peek of our July Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So this month we are featuring the Latte Love Stamp and Die Bundle. I love this one. Now, I'm not a coffee fan, although this is perfect for your coffee fans. I do like a good chai tea latte and a hot cocoa for sure. And I think this set is so versatile and you can do so much with it, no matter what your choice of hot beverage is, right? So each month we curate a beautiful kit. It's got consumable supplies and everything you need in it to create 5 projects. So we do all the design work so you can get right to the crafting fun, right? And this is all delivered right to you. So I do a PDF tutorial and a video overview so you are successful with creating your projects. So you want to see a sneak peek? I'm very excited to show you. So the first project I'm going to share with you is this lovely stack of cups. Now, one thing different about our kits is that we do the insides as well. Not everybody does that, but we feel like the insides are just as important as the outsides. So I'm not going to show you that. That's exclusive to our subscribers to the program. All right, so there's one. The second project, this is one of my favorites. I'm a white card gal, right? I love a white on white card with a little bit of color, and I just love this one and how it's turned out. Let's see. Yep, design on the inside, of course. Now, our not a card this month is this adorable little cup, right? And it's got some treats inside. Love, 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 love this one. And then we're going to do a couple of fun folds. So I've got a gift card holder, some yummy hot cocoa, right? And then we've got a fun fold card as well. I'm not showing you all those details, but I'm going to show you how stinking cute this is. Yes? All right. If you're not already a Cultivated Creativity subscriber with me, I'd love for you to join us. The best way to stay in the know is to be on my email list. However, I also have a link in the video description below. So if you're not a subscriber yet, you have until July 20th to sign up and join us. Now, I'll pre-warn you. I have limited spaces open. My program is almost full. I've been able to open up a few more spots, but so you want to get in as soon as possible because I might not have enough kits to keep it open through the July 20th date. All right. If you've got any questions, please let me know. I'd love to answer them for you, and happy crafting. Bye for now.